Morning everyone, happy Vlogmas day 9. Right now it is 7:03 in the morning. I've got class at 9 a.m. today and I snoozed my alarm because I was so tired. And I'm pretty sure I pulled something yesterday when I was working out right above my butt. It kind of hurts. Anyways, I'm literally so tired. I could fall asleep again. But I can't. I've got to get up. Let's go get coffee.
Ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow.
Whoa, the sky looks so cool outside right now. It's almost like a painting.
I'll let you get back. I just want to make sure we still the videos and stuff. I'll FaceTime you later. I love you. Have a good day.
Love you too. Bye. Okay, I have not made a matcha in like forever, so I'm gonna make a matcha this morning. Also because I need to go get creamer and I don't want to drink my coffee without creamer. So yes, we are going to make a matcha. I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine. It's super easy. You're gonna want your milk of choice. I like oat milk from this brand, Oat Milk. I got it from Whole Foods and it is amazing. The reason why I like this brand is because a lot of times non-dairy milks that grocery stores sell, all of these preservatives and all these extra things that you don't need in your body, like long name gum, but this one only has filtered water, organic gluten-free oats, and Himalayan pink salt. And so yeah, you just want to be careful. So I'm gonna pour this in. And I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for probably about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And you're gonna wanna cover it. So let me get a paper towel. Okay. I'm actually gonna put it in for like 2 minutes because I want it to be pretty hot. I'm also gonna have a yogurt bowl this morning. And because I'm about to start my period, I'm gonna start taking my vitamins pretty early. I take the Zit Stick Up period gummies and they have elderberry in it, so I probably won't be needing to take my elderberry drops today. I feel like that's a lot of elderberry, but this is what they look like. They're pretty tasty and it really helps with my PMS symptoms and breakouts on my face. So I'm just gonna take 2 of these. And then I'm also gonna take 1 vitamin C pill from Trader Joe's. My milk is all heated up. I just took it out of the microwave. And this is the brand of matcha that I really like. I also like this one that I'll put on the screen, but I put 1 tablespoon of this matcha powder into my little glass, and then I get my frother and I froth it together. And I forgot, I add vanilla syrup. So I'm gonna go over to my little coffee bar and we're gonna add 2 pumps of vanilla syrup. Just made a yogurt bowl and now we can go sit on the couch. It's literally freezing. Also, I decided not to wear any makeup today because I was like, don't feel like putting it on, and I was kind of already running a little bit late. So I just threw on some glasses and a little sweatshirt from Shein. And we are at school, you guys. Put on my lip combo just because that makes me feel set for the day, but no mascara on. I also think it's good to give your eyelashes a break. So today is just like a little chill outfit. I'm wearing my Uggs, my baby Uggs, and I'm wearing some black sweatpants from from Topshop. Okay, I'm like dreading this walk right now. I really have zero intention of walking over there. It's way too cold outside right now. But it is pretty. I do enjoy the snow. Let's learn, shall we? The squirrels here on campus are literally so cute and fat. Yeah, I just like love when they run around. It's the cutest thing ever. It is so cold outside. Just finished my classes for the day. Does anybody else's hair just hate claw clips? Like, I swear my hair, there's too much of it, and I can never keep my claw clip in my hair. I took off my glasses because I was getting a headache. I don't know, sometimes when I wear my glasses, I get a headache in the back of my ear, like right here. So I took them off, and now I'm just gonna do some laundry and housekeeping. I'm also gonna eat some leftovers. At 5:30 I have a bar class, and at 6:30 I have a yoga class. And then after that, my friend KK, she gets off of work at like 8 o'clock. She's gonna come over and we might go out to eat for dinner, but she's gonna spend the night. So like exhausted, and I wanna go home so bad. I am home, which is weird because this is, you know, this is my home now, but I wanna go home to Texas really bad and just see old friends, be back in my old town, all that stuff. I don't know. Growing up, it's sad. There's good things about it, but there's also just like really sad things. I have to package a Poshmark order. So let me get 2 little envelopes. I printed out the labels yesterday. Printed out the labels, and I'm gonna package that. So I keep all my Poshmark stuff. Oh, just ignore all this. I keep all my Poshmark stuff in my closet. So somebody ordered this cute little plaid swimsuit, and then someone also ordered this blue one. So I still don't know the names of these plants, but this one I revived back to life, and I genuinely think it's because I put it in more sunlight. For a second, I thought that it needed to be in the dark, but then I put it back in the window closer to the light, and she's kind of been thriving right now. This plant is very easy to tell when it needs water though, because the leaves get a little bit like squishy, and that is my sign that I need to water it. I don't think this one needs as much water though. Okay, I'm gonna actually make lunch now because I'm like shaking, if that makes any sense. It's like weird, but I have to show y'all my candle from Acquire & Co. It's this little shop in Eagle, Idaho. smells amazing. If you live in Boise or Eagle or Meridian, whatever the closest place is to, get the candle that's scented Home for Christmas. Smells amazing. Smells like peppermint, all the above. I still need to light the candle that I made in Vlogmas Day 2 with my girlfriends, but I don't know why. I kind of want to give it to somebody, like gift it, or I might just wait until I burn through this one. But I'm gonna make my leftover taco and then we will sit down and debrief. Holy guac, this looks amazing. Okay, so I've been obsessed with this TV show called Dash and Lily. I think it came out in 2020. I'm probably late to this. It is seriously the cutest little Christmas show. It's so good and I definitely encourage y'all to go watch it. Oh my gosh, I'm already on episode 5. I started this yesterday. What the heck? It's that good.